Number 1. Relation between edge length A of the unit cell and atomic radius r. For simple cubic, since the two particles on an edge are in contact, hence A equal to 2r or r is equal to A upon 2. For BCC, in this unit cell, the three particles lying on a cube diagonal are in contact. The value of cube diagonal is root 3a. Hence, root 3a is equal to 4r or r is equal to root 3a divided by 4. It is worthy to note that the two particles on the edge in a BCC cannot be in contact with each other. If they do so, then the void in the center of the cube will be so small that it cannot accommodate the same type of particle there. Hence, to accommodate a particle at the center of the unit cell, a simple cubic unit cell must expand. That's why A is not equal to 2r for BCC unit cell. For FCC, in this unit cell, each face center has one particle also. Hence now, the three particles lying on a face diagonal, whose length is root 2a, will be in contact. Therefore, root 2a is equal to 4r or r is equal to a upon 2 root 2. Here also, no two particles on an edge can be in contact, as is clear from the following figure. So we have obtained the results as simple cubic r equal to a by 2, BCC r equal to root 3a by 4, FCC r equal to a upon 2 root 2.